What if I told you that a $1.50 product sitting in your local dollar store right now can wipe out an entire ant colony permanently in less than 48 hours? Not slow them down, not repel them for a week, kill them, every single one. The queen, the workers, the eggs, gone forever. The pest control industry has known about this for decades, and they have spent millions of dollars making sure you never find out. Because the moment you learn this, you will never call an exterminator again. You will never buy a $40 spray can again. You will never waste another dollar on those useless bait traps that do absolutely nothing. Baby powder. That is the secret. One simple, harmless, cheap product that destroys ant colonies at the biological level. Stay until the end, because the last tip I share will completely shock you. It shocked me the first time I heard it too. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up in the morning, walked into your kitchen and found a trail of ants covering your counter, your food, your sink, your floor? It is one of the most disgusting, frustrating feelings in the world. You spray them. They come back. You buy traps. They ignore them. You call a professional. And they charge you $200, $300, sometimes $500 just to spray some chemicals that wear off in 2 weeks. Then you're right back where you started. Except now you are $400 poorer and angrier than before. And it does not stop there. Ant infestations are not just annoying. They are dangerous. Certain ant species contaminate your food. They damage the wooden structure of your home. Fire ants send thousands of people to emergency rooms every single year. And carpenter ants, they silently destroy the walls of your house for years before you even notice. The average American household spends $300 per year on pest control. That is $3,000 over 10 years. Gone. Just like that. And for what? Temporary solutions that never actually kill the colony? Here's what pest control companies do not want you to understand. When you spray the ants you see, you are only killing 10% of the colony. The other 90%, the queen, the eggs, the hidden workers deep underground, they survive, they rebuild, they come back stronger. And the exterminator gets to charge you again next month. This is not an accident. This is a business model. They are not solving your problem. They are managing it. Because a solved problem does not make them money. A recurring problem does. You have been trapped in this cycle. And today, that cycle ends. Here's the part they really do not want you to know. Back in the late 1950s and through the 1960s, independent researchers and household chemists began documenting the incredible effects of talc-based powders on insect colonies. The findings were remarkable. Simple, inexpensive talcum powder was shown to interfere with the respiratory and exoskeletal systems of insects at a fundamental biological level. These findings were published in small academic journals and circulated among DIY communities across America. But then something happened. The major pest control corporations, companies like the early predecessors of today's billion-dollar extermination industry, began lobbying heavily. They partnered with chemical manufacturers who had just developed synthetic pesticide lines worth hundreds of millions of dollars. The goal was simple. Bury the natural solutions. Flood the market with expensive chemical products. Make the average homeowner dependent on professional services. By the early 1970s, this information had been quietly scrubbed from mainstream conversation. The researchers who published those findings were ignored, underfunded, and pushed out of the conversation entirely. What you were left with was a $17 billion pest control industry that grows every single year, built on the foundation of keeping you ignorant. They spent millions making sure this stayed quiet, and it worked for 50 years. But the internet changed everything. People started sharing this knowledge again. Communities started documenting results. And now you are watching this video, which means you are part of the 1% of people who actually find out the truth. What I am about to show you is not a trick. It is not a hack. It is basic biology that was stolen from you. So here is why baby powder works, and why it works so devastatingly well on ants, specifically. Baby powder contains talc. Talc is a naturally occurring mineral that is ground into an ultra-fine powder. When ants walk through talc powder, something incredible happens at the microscopic level. Ants breathe through tiny openings in their exoskeleton called spiracles. Talc particles are small enough to clog those spiracles completely. The ant suffocates. It cannot breathe. It dies within hours. But here is where it gets even more powerful. Ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones. When worker ants carry talc back to the colony, and they will because they carry everything back, those same particles spread through the nest. The queen is exposed. The larvae are exposed. The entire underground network is contaminated. The colony collapses from the inside. Professional exterminators charge $250 to $400 for a treatment that targets surface ants and uses synthetic chemicals that break down within days. Baby powder from your dollar store costs $50, $1.50. And it does not break down. It does not evaporate. It does not wear off after rain. Talc is a mineral. It is stable. It keeps working long after you apply it. That is the difference. That is what they never wanted you to realize. You have been paying $300 for a 2-week solution when a $1.50 permanent solution was sitting on the shelf the whole time. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to use this so you get maximum results. The first thing you need to do is locate the ant trail. Do not just spray randomly around your kitchen. Follow the ants. Watch where they are coming from and where they are going. Ants always follow the same trail, and that trail leads directly back to the colony entrance. This step is critical. You need to find the source, not just treat the symptoms. Once you have identified the trail, take your baby powder and pour a generous line directly across the path. Make it thick, at least 1/2 inch wide and 1/4 inch deep. This creates a barrier the ants cannot cross without picking up talc particles on their bodies. Do not use a light dusting. Be generous. Then, and this is the most important step, locate the actual colony entrance outside. It usually appears as a small mound of loose soil or a crack in pavement or a gap near your foundation. Pour baby powder directly into that entrance. Use at least a full tablespoon. Pack it in. You want it deep inside the tunnel network. Next, trace the entire perimeter of the room or area where ants are entering. Pour a continuous line of baby powder along every wall edge, every door frame, every windowsill. Leave no gaps. Ants are incredibly good at finding the one spot you missed. Do not make that mistake. Now here is what you must not do. Do not wet the powder. Moisture reduces the effectiveness dramatically because it clumps the talc particles together and they lose their ability to penetrate the spiracles. Keep it dry at all times. If you're treating an outdoor area and rain is expected, reapply after the rain passes. After you have applied the powder, leave it completely undisturbed for 48 hours. This is non-negotiable. The ants need time to carry the particles back into the colony. If you vacuum or sweep too early, you interrupt the process. On day 3, inspect the area. You will notice the ant trail has disappeared or dramatically reduced. At this point, apply one final round of powder at the colony entrance to finish off any survivors. One safety note. Baby powder is safe around humans and pets in normal quantities, but avoid applying it in areas where infants crawl directly and wash hands after handling. Keep it away from the faces of small children and pets to avoid inhalation of fine particles. Thousands of people have now tried this method, and the results are extraordinary. One viewer from Texas wrote in and said she had battled a fire ant infestation in her backyard for 3 years. She had spent over $800 on professional treatments. She tried this method on a Saturday afternoon. By Monday morning, the mound was completely inactive. Another viewer in Florida eliminated a carpenter ant problem that had been damaging his garage walls for over a year. Total cost, $3. $3 and 48 hours. Compare that to the $600 quote he received from a local pest control company. Before using this method, people describe constant ant sightings, contaminated food, stress, and money wasted on product after product that never truly worked. After using this method, they describe something they have not experienced in years, a completely ant-free home. And here is what makes this different from every chemical spray you have ever bought. Chemical sprays break down, they evaporate, they wash away. Talc does not. When applied correctly around the perimeter and at the colony entrance, this treatment lasts. Not for 2 weeks, not for 1 season. When the colony is eliminated, it is eliminated. New colonies that attempt to establish in the treated area encounter the barrier and turn back. Results genuinely last up to 2 years with a single application at entry points. This information is actively suppressed by the pest control lobby because it destroys their recurring revenue model. The fact that you now know this puts you in a very small group of people who will never be financially exploited by this industry again. Like this video right now, if this information shocked you, because it means you are helping this reach people who are still being ripped off every single month. Subscribe, because next week I'm exposing another $2 grocery store product that the plumbing industry has been hiding for 40 years, and it will save you hundreds on your next drain cleaning bill. Share this with one person you know who has an ant problem. One share from you could save them $400. And here's the final tip I promised you, the one that will genuinely surprise you. If you mix baby powder with a tiny amount of powdered sugar, just a pinch, the ants are actively attracted to it. They carry it back to the colony faster. They feed it to the queen directly. What was already a powerful treatment becomes an irresistible trap. The colony collapses in half the time. You do not have to chase the ants anymore. They come to you. That is the level of control you now have. You're not a victim of this industry anymore. You have the knowledge, you have the solution, and it cost you $1, $50.